How to add Nightbot to Twitch in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, you have to log into your Twitch account and click on the channel and go to your channel page. And after that, you have to open a new browser tab and search for nightbot.tv. That's the official website of Nightbot, and click on add to chat from here. And after that, you have to click on sign in with Twitch, and then you just have to click on authorize to give all the permissions. You can check for the permission if you want to give them all or not. So I'll just click on authorize, and after that it will be logged in, as you can see. And after that, you can just simply create new commands from here. Like you can write a command like Twitch, and then response you can set as hello. And you can also set the required user level to owner, moderator, VIP, regular, subscriber, or everyone. And if you want to let only the subscriber to use this, you can just click on subscriber. When a subscriber type this command, the Nightbot will reply as hello to them. And if you click on everyone, then anyone can type this and the Nightbot automatically reply this response to them. And we can click on show advanced settings. You can just click on cool down for seconds. Like the command will, after giving the command, the response will be given after 5 seconds. You can just set it on your own. You can just decrease it or increase it. And after that, you can just simply click on create from here, and then you have to go to the dashboard section from here and click on join channel. And after clicking on join channel, as you can see, it's already joined our Twitch channel. So, and that if you start a new stream, then you can just find the bot it's working or not. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.